In today's video, I'll show you how to create a powerful opening where a burst of flames explodes onto the screen and reveals your video with strong impact. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. Since this effect is meant for an intro, it should be applied right at the start of the clip. Tap on the video clip to select it. Once selected, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the beginning, which is exactly where this explosive reveal works best. Scroll through the list of animations until you find Flame Blast, then tap on it to apply the effect. As soon as it's applied, you'll see a fiery blast erupt across the screen, revealing the video underneath in a dramatic way. To control how intense the explosion feels, use the duration slider. Dragging it to the left makes the blast faster and more aggressive. Dragging it to the right slows it down, creating a heavier and more cinematic reveal. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing until it matches the energy of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a flame blast reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation.